Ismael Salarda, and I am the current project lead of XUNSP Program Head. I've been here in the post for the past 2 years and looking forward for more bountiful and meaningful years to come. Experiences in the night school program are a very humbling experiences because it made me feel fortunate to help other people, especially those who are in need. It is also very inspiring to note that there are people who really aspire to achieve their dreams in spite of their difficult circumstances and disposition in life, and looking forward to realize in our simplest and meaningful ways possible in order to facilitate their needs. This time of the year, we are fortunate enough to celebrate this with our loved ones, our friends, and our colleagues. In spite of the threat of the pandemic, we are given the opportunity to have this occasion. This is very meaningful because we celebrate the true meaning of love, sharing, and the presence of each and every one. With that being said, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to each and every one of us.